our 4-speed planetary mixer. First off, the overall dimensions. Bottom base, we have a length of 26 inches, a depth of 35 3/4 inches, and the overall height of 58 inches tall. Coming to the side, we have our lift handle, speed gear handle, timer, power, along with the off stop button. Coming to the front will be the safety cover, and for the bowl, the measurements will include 19 inches in radius with 17 inches in height. Included will be 3 attachments. You'll get the hook, beater, along with the whip. Coming to the side of the mixer will be the ETL certification, along with the voltage and power information for this mixer. Please note, the attachment will not be included but can be purchased separate. Hardwiring will be required to operate this mixer. And the voltage required for this will be 240 voltage. Coming on each corner holding the bowl will be the locking mechanism to hold the mixing bowl. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website cooleranddepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.